with Backyard.
Yeah, mother and child reunion.
Let's go.
So that's what I'm looking for.
This is live.
Put that right there.
In the world. Y'all know that, right? And we're back again for our Backyard monthly box. And today, we have none other than the OG of OGs, Panther City BBQ out of Southside Fort Worth, Texas. Please introduce yourself.
Chris Magallanes with Panther City BBQ.
Ernie Morales, Fort Worth, Texas.
So I have to tell you something. Like, I just had a picture come up when y'all came and visited back in, I think it was like 2017, when y'all were just like, same boat, in the trailer, trying to make it. We're doing pop-ups. Y'all doing a little barbecue tour. Look at y'all now. Top 10 barbecue joint.
Less sleep, a lot less sleep.
Man, then y'all started a trailer. Then you moved into built this. Then now you have the bar.
Yeah.
Now you have the classes.
Yeah.
Now you travel all over the U.S.
Yeah.
So today, we're going to be making two things. And what are those two things that we're making?
So we're going to show you guys how to make our pork belly burn-in poppers. That's a smoked and glazed pork belly burn-in, stuffed on the jalapeno cream cheese and wrapped in more bacon.
I think this has been probably one of the best bites in barbecue for multiple years. Lots of lists. And you're going to figure out, get the insight how to make it at your house. That is so cool that you're going to give us one.
So we've got our standard pork belly right here. It's a skinless pork belly. You want it with the skinless, or you're going to spend a lot of time taking that skin off. And then you're usually going to find it in a little sheet. You can grab that stuff pretty much anywhere nowadays. But we're going to cube it up. Cube it up 1 by 1 or 1.5 inch by 1 inch cubes. You want to do them nice and evenly. Make sure there's some good fat on those pork belly ends right there on that sheet of belly. But that's what we've got right there.
Awesome.
Little nice cubes. We're going to go ahead and load these suckers up.
So in general, like when you're smoking, I'm not going to lie to you, I've never done pork belly in my life.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
How long do you smoke for?
Yeah, so these things, really we're going to want to take them almost all the way before we glaze them.
Okay.
So depending on what heat you're running at, it may take you a couple of hours on that. We're really compact right here, so we may get done sooner. On our big offsets, we're really going to go about 2.5, 3 hours on these suckers. We're going to take them to about 185, 190 degrees. We want them almost done before we glaze them. We're going to take our Panther City barbecue sauce, make some great glaze here.
Do not be afraid to use it all.
Mix them up. Get these things a nice coat, nice glaze in there. Spin them all around. We're ready to go. Let's put them back on.
So do you like to go a little direct on the coals now?
We can. Yeah, we usually do these on our offset, guys, but we're going to have fun today. So we're going to put some right on there.
That's what
Let's see what they do. Let's see what they do. Let's compare them side by side. That's the good thing about backyard cooking. There's no rules, guys. Do whatever you want. Have fun with it. Isn't that the point?
100%. So how long do you leave them on now after the glaze?
So they're not going to go very long. We want them to finish around the 200-degree mark. Okay. So it may take us 15, 20 minutes. It may take us 30 minutes. So we're going to go get them all set. Really, all we're trying to do here is set that glaze just so it's not dripping off there. We want to tack up a little bit and set in there and let these bellies soften up a little bit more. It's really all we're trying to do.
You want us to close it up or leave it open?
Let's close it up. Let's close it up.
Smells so good. We'll come back in 15 minutes. All right. Awesome. So you got jalapeno.
Yeah, we hollowed out our jalapeno. We had them. You can remove all the seeds if you want, but this is Texas. Let's go ahead and leave some seeds in there. It's a jalapeno, so if somebody says it's too hot, tell them it's a jalapeno. We're going to shove it right there. We're going to put all that cream cheese, even it out. If you want to put some seasoning on at this point, you can. You can mix seasoning up inside your cream cheese. We're actually going to season it after the fact, after we wrap it, to get it on the outside of that.
Awesome.
But go ahead and season it up. If you want to use a flavored cream cheese, why not? I haven't tried it, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't do it.
And do y'all use a full, because these pork bellies are nice and large, y'all use a full strip of bacon?
We use a full strip of bacon, yeah. It depends what cut of bacon you're getting. But yeah, we tend to use a full strip of bacon because the burn ends are so large. We've tried cutting them down thinner, but then we end up removing too much of that fat. So we just do it with full cube like that. Awesome. Ernie's going to go ahead and throw a little seasoning on. He's going to take one of his burn ends. He's going to wrap it up. Take a nice big cube there.
Yeah, so tell me, so you're telling me you can come here and get a pork belly in a popper with more bacon. And this is on the menu every single day?
Every single day. And also Thursday and Friday and Saturdays, we go till 8 p.m. so you can get them all night as well.
Like, that is insane. And you know what's really cool? I haven't seen. So now you're literally just crisping the bacon out.
That's it. We're just setting them. Pork belly's already cooked all the way through because we are wrapping them. We want to go ahead and cook them all the way through so they don't stay too hard or anything like that. They're already rendered. So basically, we're just crisping the bacon up, softening up that jalapeno. So it's not going to take us very long from this point going forward. whenever that bacon's done, maybe take about 45 minutes or so.
Awesome. Oh my God, it's about time.
Yeah, let's see what they look like. Ooh, got some nice crispy bacon going on there. Look at that.
So
Nice
you're telling
filling.
me they're going to be able to make this in their backyard?
In the backyard, simple, easy, perfect game day item. Look at that. Got that trick cream cheese. Got that rub on there. Nice and crisped up. Got a nice dark bark on that burnt end. Several different flavors going on there. Excellent.
And we're back. Now we're going to make some 44 hanger steak. And guess what? We can use that beef rub.
Yeah. Let's make some hanger steak. So hanger steak, really good cut from the upper belly of that cow. So it's not as common out there that I see. Everybody wants to do the sexy thigh and stuff, which is great. Don't get me wrong. I love doing a thigh dip. But yeah, let's do a hanger steak today. So perfect. We're going to take our all-purpose beef rub. So same rub that we use on a brisket, same rub that we use in our beef cheek. Got a lot of good salts and peppers in there. So let's do it up.
And one thing you'll see is do not be afraid to season. Ooh, we're going to throw it on there?
Let's do it.
Let's hear that sizzle. Oh, yes. That's exactly what we want. So, we're literally going to, are you a flipper or are you a let it chill then flip?
I'll let it chill at first and then we'll get to flipping. Once it gets going, then I like to flip it around a lot, make sure we're not overdoing either side. But they both work, whatever works for you. Like I said, backwheel barbecue, there's no rules.
So what do you like to take it to?
I'm always a medium rare guy. I'm medium rare, and I'll usually take it on the lower end. So I'm usually about 125 or something. Yeah.
Awesome. So that is love right there. What are we tipping at? 125 on the dot. You know there's a time or two, haven't you?
Let's do it. Yeah, let's pull this thing out and let it give it a little rest.
So we're going to want to go, I don't know, I like 10 minutes.
Yeah, we'll give it about 10 minutes.
Or is that about a beer and a half?
Well, it depends if you drink like me. Like I used to, it might be 2-3 beers. But
Look how beautiful that is.
okay, stop right there because I got to take a slice. Can't wait.
Is that the third slice?
That's the third slice. You have the third slice.
No, actually, I like this slice because I get a little extra seasoning on it.
Yeah.
But look at that. Look how beautiful that is. That's when you know you've cooked a hanger steak once or twice.
Yes.
You want to pick one up and try it out?
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh, man.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Oh.
I love it. I just want to say thank you so much for letting us come out and for y'all making unbelievable food. And please, if you're in Fort Worth or if you're in DFW or you're in Texas, you got to come here. The food's absolutely amazing. And you get to cook this in your backyard this month. And we're out.